union set of ray PQ and QR. So here we need union set of PQ and QR. Now observe this line and find out what is union set of ray PQ and QR. So this is your ray PQ and this is your ray QR. Both the rays are moving in opposite direction. So what is union? So we know that union means union set is basically combination of two sets, two or more sets. It's called union of set, and we used to write common element once. So ray PQ and ray QR. Among them, QR can be considered as union, ray union set. So this PQ moves in this direction, QR move in this direction. This is common portion in both the rays, and this is uncommon portion in both the rays. In that case, this will become answer for this question is ray QR. Ray QR is complete set of union set of ray PQ and ray QR. Because in union set we used to take common element as well as uncommon element in both the sets. In this case, ray PQ is one set, ray QR is another set. So PQ goes in this direction, QR goes in this direction. This portion is common and this is uncommon portion, right? So when we talking about union of two sets, so common portion as well as uncommon portion, common element as well as uncommon element, both we used to include in the union set. So answer is ray QR. So ray QR, ray QS, ray QT, ray QR, ray RQ, ray SQ, ray QT, TQ. These are rays where segment QR is subset. Same way, ray RQ and ray RT. They are opposite ray with common point R. So opposite rays are first pair you can mention as ray RP and ray RS. Now the second pair which we can mention ray RQ and ray RT. So these are two set of rays which are opposite to each other where the common point is R. RP, RS, RQ, RT. So on this number line, here we have B, this is point B. On this number line, you need to identify which are the points which are equidistant from this point B. Yes, look, point A and point C, are they equidistant from B? Because coordinate of A is 0, coordinate of B is 2. So distance between AB is 2 unit. Same way, coordinate of B is 2 and coordinate of C is 4. So distance between BC is also 2 unit. So in that case, you can say the distance between AB and distance between BC is same. So A and C are 2 points which are equidistant from B. So here you can write your answer like this. Point A and C are equidistant from point B. Here we have some more points which are equidistant, like this. This is your point B, and this is your point D, right? So point D and point D and point P, distance between PB is 4 units. From here to here it is 1 unit. Then this is 2 unit, 3 unit, and this is 4 unit. And distance between BD is also 4 unit. From B to here it is 1 unit, it is 2 unit, and it is 3 units, and it is 4 units. So in that case you can say distance between PB and distance between BD are same. So P and D are equidistant from point B. So points equidistant from point Q. So here we have point Q, where U and L both lies at a distance of 1 unit from Q. So you can say points U and L are equidistant. Besides U and L, we have another pair of points, that is R and P. R is at a distance of 2 unit from Q. P is also at a distance of 2 unit from Q. So distance between QP and QR is constant, that is 2. So point R and point P. So these are two set or two pair of points which are equidistant. Equidistance from point Q. Look, question was about write one pair of points. Right, one pair of point which is equidistant from point Q. Here we mentioned two pair of points. So any one of them would be sufficient for your answer. I am giving you two pair of points which are equidistant from Q, but you can mention any one of them, either UL or RP. That would be sufficient. This is our reference number line. With the help of this reference number line, we need to find out distance between UV, distance between PC, and distance between VB. I'll start with this distance between UV. So in order to find distance between UV, we need coordinates of U and coordinate of V. So coordinate of U is actually, as per your number line, Q is -4, R is -6, so definitely U should be -5. So coordinate of U is -5. Then distance coordinate of V in our number line, here we have V, C is 4, so V should be 5. So coordinate of V is 5. Since this is positive 5, this is negative 5. So here you can say 5, positive 5 is greater than negative 5, right? So therefore I can say V is greater than U. Why V is greater than? Because coordinate of V is positive 5, which is greater, and coordinate of U is negative 5, which is smaller. So in that case you can say V is greater than U. Now formula to find out distance between any 2 point on the coordinate system on number line, that is UV. Distance between this D stands for distance. Distance UV is equal with higher coordinate minus lower coordinate. So here the greater one is V minus smaller one, that is U. So this is your formula. Distance between UV is V minus U. Why V minus U? Because coordinate of V is greater than coordinate of U. So here coordinate of V is 5. So I'll write 5. Then we have minus sign. So I'll take minus. Then we have U, and coordinate of U is -5. So here I'll take -5. Now minus minus will become plus 5. So 5 plus 5, that is 10. So distance between UV is how much? 10 unit. Same way we can find out distance between PC. So distance between PC, first you need coordinates of P and coordinate of C. So we will go back on our number line. Coordinate of P is -2. Coordinate of C is 4. Coordinate of P coordinate of P is -2, and coordinate of C is 4. So coordinate of P is -4, coordinate of C is +4. Here you can say 4 is greater than -2. So therefore I can say C is greater than P. Then we will write our formula. Distance between PC is C minus P. That is higher point and lower point. The point which has greater coordinate minus the point which has smaller coordinate, that is C minus P. Coordinate of C is 4. and coordinate of P is -2. So here I'll take -2. Same way, 4 minus minus plus 2. So it is 6. So distance between PC is 6 unit. Same way we can calculate. Same way we can calculate distance between VB. So distance between VB, again I'll go back to my number line. Here we have number line. The coordinate of V, this is your coordinate of V, which is 5, and coordinate of B is 2. So coordinate of V is 5, B is 2. I am going to calculate distance between VB. Coordinate of V on the number line is 5 and coordinate of B on the number line is 2. So 5 is greater than 2. So here you will mention that 5 is greater than 2. So therefore V is greater than B. So your formula will become distance between VB is V minus B. V minus B. The point which has greater coordinate minus the point which has smaller coordinate. So this is your formula to find out distance between VB. Coordinate of V is 5. Coordinate of B is 2. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. So this is your answer. Distance between VB is 3. Then we have one more question. Distance between UL. So again I'll go back to my number line. On the number line, coordinate of U is here. So here we have -4, so it is -5, and coordinate of L is here. So here you have -2, so this should be -3, right? So I'll write those two coordinates. I'm going to solve this question here only. Distance between UL. Coordinate of U as per number line or on the number line is 5 and coordinate of L on the number line, yes, -5 and L is -3. So coordinate of U is -5, L is -3. Now we're going to decide which of them is greater. So the negative number, greater negative number will be smaller. So here 3 is -3 is greater than -5. So here you will say -3 is greater than -5, which means L is greater than U. So your formula will become distance between UL is equals to point with greater coordinate, that is L, minus point with smaller coordinate, that is U. So this is your formula to find out distance between UL. I'll substitute the coordinates. L, that is -3. Then we have this minus sign, so I'll take this minus sign here. After minus we have U. U is also -5, so I'll write coordinate of U in bracket -5, like this. -3 minus minus plus 5. So your final answer Negative 3, positive 5 will give you plus 2. So this is your distance between U L. Distance between UL is 2. So the question was about to find out these four distances, that is UV, PC, VB, UL. Now here we have answer. Distance between UV is 10. Distance between PC is 6. Then distance between VB is 3. And last one, that is distance between UL is 2. So this is final solution for this question number 3.